Have you ever in your life seen a drill that is this old? A drill press that's mounted to a pole in a barn that has hand cranks where you can turn it by hand and then you lower it up and down with a hand crank. But if you walk over here, it's run by a small electric motor mounted on the other side of the post that does the drill press or turns the arbor. The chuck gets turned by a small electric motor and gear reduction. I don't know that you'd have much control over what speed. I personally have never seen anything this old.